Well, hi, it's Jerry and Joan. We have been talking about the Halowview system that we put in. You probably saw that video, I don't know, a number of weeks ago, where we added side cameras and a front camera. And I promised that I would give you an update once we had used it for a little while. So we've been using it a little bit, and we are, I don't know, we've done, 1,000 miles or so like that where we've been using the cameras. I like it. One of the big items is getting rid of my blind spots on the left and right hand side, and that's been really, really nice. And since we put these cameras in, we really haven't had a need to where I had to use the backup camera, and I've used that a couple times, both at a truck stop where I got fuel, and also at the last destination we were at. I needed it as we were backing in and trying to get straightened up at the campground. So it's worked out really well. I'm pretty pleased with it. I'm going to let Joan here be my capable assistant, and she's going to kind of show you the operation here. So the view you see now is what they call the quad view. I really like this. The top left view that you see here is the front camera that we installed in the grill. The top right hand view is my left camera off the left hand side. Bottom left is my right camera, and then you see the backup camera that's there, and it's really nice. I like it. Joan, I'm going to let you push select for me. So pushing this select mode, we're looking at our forward view only camera now, and push the select again. Now this is my left camera. This is really nice, especially when we're in really heavy traffic. We were just coming through Columbia, South Carolina a little while ago, and the traffic got a bit heavy, and this was really nice. But the one that I really like the most, press select again for me, is this camera here. Now you're seeing a little bit of the the main arm for our awning, but that's no big deal really. But what I really like about this camera is this gets rid of my blind spot. Even though I've got, a big truck mirror on the right hand side, and I got the convex, the way I've got them set up, I end up with a small little blind spot. And it's really not that big as we're going down the interstate right now, but where it becomes a really big issue is when we are in very, very heavy traffic and I'm needing to make a lane change rather quick. I can look at my rear view mirrors, and I just leave this camera on as we drive through the city so that I've got that elimination of that blind spot on the right hand side. And push it one more time, Jen. And this camera really offers very little benefit as we're driving down the road, but this is the backup camera, and it really is nice. It does a really good job. Press it one more time, and we'll put it back in the quad view. It's kind of like where I leave it as we're going down the highway. There is a record function. I have that going sometimes. I don't have it going right now, but I'm pleased with it. It's turned out really well. So again, we've got roughly, 1,000 plus miles of using the camera systems. It was very, very helpful a month-ish ago when we were going through Atlanta on a Saturday morning, and it was really nice having those. So thanks to my assistant Joan for helping with this. I hope that's given you a good view of our Halowview system that we've been using, and we're going to mosey on down the road.
Sounds good.